Hey everyone. Welcome to Cosmic Conversations. I'm Eric, and today I'm here with my good friends Dina and Sterling. How's it going, guys?
Hey, Eric, doing great. Excited to dive into today's topic. How about you, Sterling?
Oh, you know me, always ready for a journey through the cosmos.
Awesome. So today, we're diving into our journeys as human beings on Earth and how they intertwine with cosmic energies. I've always found it fascinating how our lives might be just one part of a much bigger, universal picture.
Absolutely, Eric. It's like we're all threads in this vast cosmic tapestry. I mean, think about it, our existence might be just a tiny fraction of the universe's energetic spectrum.
Right? And Eric, you mentioned something about remembering past lives. That's wild. Can you share more about that?
Sure, Sterling. It's like this vivid dream I can't shake off. I remember being a Buddhist monk in Tibet and a Brahmin in India. Each life felt like a step towards enlightenment, each a chapter in my spiritual growth.
Wow, that's deep. It's like the universe is a giant school, and each life is a class we attend. But, Eric, do you ever feel like there's no hierarchy in these lives? Like, they're all equally important?
Exactly, Dina. Every form of life, from an amoeba to a human, plays its part. There's no better or worse, just different experiences in the grand scheme of things.
And isn't it incredible to think about how this ties into the cosmos? Planets and stars, they're like beings with their consciousnesses too.
Totally, Sterling. And just like us, they're part of a bigger collective consciousness. It's like the universe is this massive, interconnected web.
Yeah, and I think that's why our earthly experiences are so significant. They're tangible pieces of a much larger spiritual truth.
And it's funny how we humans tend to separate ourselves, isn't it? When really, we're never separate from the universe.
Exactly. It's all about perspective. Heaven isn't some faraway place. It's a state of mind.
Right, Dina. And by tapping into the power of our hearts, we can find our connection to the cosmos and shape the world with love.
That's beautiful, Eric. It's all about balance, fear and love, fission and fusion.
We're all partners in this cosmic dance. And understanding that can lead us to true unity.
Exactly. So, let's remember that we're never alone. Every star in the sky is a reminder of our place in the universe.
Well said, Sterling. And on that note, thanks for joining us on this journey today. It's been enlightening, as always. Catch you next time on Cosmic Conversations. Please do merge with Brahbata, space.